How to sign up on MEXC Wallet or MEXC Global. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can sign up for MEXC Wallet. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you quick through this video. In order to sign up for MEXC account, all you gotta do is simply head over and open up the MEXC app. Now you can get the app on your Play Store or App Store. Then you can see the sign up option right there on the home screen. Tap on sign up option right here. Then you can either enter in your email and password manually or mobile number and password manually and create an account, or you can use the Google account or Telegram account as well. So for now, I'll just tap on Google account here. Then you can choose one of your Google account to sign up with. And once you do so here, it will sign you up real quick. Agree and share. And as you can see, you'll have a new wallet. Now, once you have signed up, you can head into your profile and change your security settings and such to back up your account. So this is how you can easily sign up for MEXC Global or MEXC Wallet. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.